Sahih al-Bukhari 3164, 3165, narrated Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam once said to me, if the revenue of Bahrain came, I would give you this much and this much. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam had died, the revenue of Bahrain came, and Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha announced, let whoever was promised something by Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam come to me. So I went to Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha and said, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to me, if the revenue of Bahrain came, I would give you this much and this much. On that, Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha said to me, scope money with both your hands. I scoped money with both my hands, and Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha asked me to count it. I counted it, and it was 500 gold pieces. The total amount he gave me was 1,500 gold pieces. Narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha, money from Bahrain was brought to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He said, spread it in the mosque. It was the biggest amount that had ever been brought to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. In the meantime, Al-Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha came to him and said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, give me, for I gave the ransom of myself and Akil. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to him, take his scoped money with both hands and poured it in his garment and tried to lift it, but he could not, and appealed to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, will you order someone to help me in lifting it? The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, no. Then Al-Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, then will you yourself help me carry it? The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, no. Then Al-Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anha threw away some of the money, but even then Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, no. So Al-Abbas threw away some money and lifted it on his shoulder and went away. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam kept on looking at him with our sight. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam did not get up from there till not a single dirham remained from that money. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.